G'day everyone, welcome to the tutorial for Robbery by Cordiale. Before we start, just make sure you like and subscribe. If you have any tutorials you'd like me to make, just leave a comment below. Also, go and subscribe to my second channel now. I make vlogs and stuff, so it would mean a lot if you could subscribe to that as well. Let's get into the video, eh? Alright, so we're in standard tuning, no capo. Relatively simple song, it's all bar chords, and there's just 4 of them. The first sort of verse and intro is predominantly just bass guitar and drums, but there is a little bit of guitar in there. I haven't been able to work it out 100%, but I found it pretty close. So basically in the verse, the only 2 chords used are an E flat minor and an A flat minor as well. And throughout most of the verse, I would say, it's just a single strum of the chord. And then when sort of the full band comes in, it's more of a... And then there's no guitar for the wait, that's her, stop that girl. And then basically the chorus is a combination of E flat minor, D flat, A flat minor, B minor. And it sounds like this. So what's happening there? Obviously, I said the chords just before. So the picking pattern is like a... And then you sort of tap the strings and mute at the same time. So it's like a... And then pick up. And then up again, I think. So, down with the mute, up, into a down on the other chord, followed by the same sort of progression. And then you move from, okay, so we had the E flat minor to the D, to the D flat, sorry, to the A flat. Then we had the B flat, back to the D flat. So, picking pattern, down, and then pick muted, up, down, pick, up, down, pick, up, down. So the picking pattern's not like a one continued sort of pattern throughout the song. It's sort of broken up into little chunks per chord to give it this sound. So that's what the chorus sounds like. Pretty much there's nothing else to the song. If you can just nail the bar chords that are needed, and I'll make sure that I put a tab up for those as well, just to make it a little bit simpler. Thanks for watching everyone. I'd really appreciate it if you'd like and subscribe if this tutorial's helped you in any way. Make sure you check out my second channel as well. I'm putting a video up probably weekly or twice a week there, as well as the 3 videos a week I put up on this channel, so pretty flat out doing all of that. All your support means a lot to me. Cheers.